Two ladies pissed me off, so I took their full cart and put all of their groceries back on the shelves. I'm buying spring cleaning supplies at Walmart. I'm average height but pretty fit and muscular. Nothing outrageous. Just I can look intimidating. At the back of Walmart, there are double doors that the employees use to bring large carts out to stock the shelves. It's usually near aisles, and it must be stocked regularly, like cleaning supplies or groceries. I heard a girl say, "Excuse me, I need to get through." In front of the double doors are two women talking with their carts, blocking the employee from getting to the back. The girl says again, very nicely, I must add, "Excuse me, ladies, I need to get through." The women look at her, and they know she needs to get through but continue to stand there talking. Attitude like it's a big inconvenience for them to move out of the way. This just pisses me off. Why do people treat workers like freaking trash? I'm about to say something but hatch a better plan. One of the ladies' carts has her purse, so that's a no-go. I make eye contact with the girl and smile. I can see she is fighting her irritation. As I casually walk past the woman, I snag the other woman's cart full of groceries and walk away. They don't notice for a second, then start to pursue me. Now this may be where I might be the butthole. I could have just left the cart and gone about my day, but obviously, that's not what I did. As I quickly move down the aisles, I put some of her groceries back on the shelves. I try to get the stuff close, but I don't have time to be perfect. The lady tries to pull the cart from me, claiming that it's her stuff. I say it's not your stuff until you pay for it, and continue on my way. I didn't get much put back on the shelves because she kept pulling on the cart. I take a bag of frozen chicken breasts and throw them back into the freezer case. Almost made it to the front of the store, and the three of us were starting to make a scene. So I abandoned the cart but took several items with me. I think she was going to make chocolate chip cookies. They don't follow me, and I make a clean getaway. When I get back to my shopping, I notice the other woman's cart. Her purse is not in it now, so off I go. I roll it to the camping section and pull out all the cold items. There were only a few, and I needed milk and butter anyway, so it was a bonus. I told a friend about what happened later, and she asked me why I was such an a-hole about it and wondered why I didn't stop after I had solved the problem. She told me it's just like a man to think he has the right to be judge, jury, and executioner. I don't think I'm a misogynist pig, but then again, I am a guy, so who knows. I went back to the camping area later to put the rest of the stuff away, but it was gone when I got there. I feel bad that an employee might have had to restock the stuff, which is my bad. I never saw the girl again, and I hope she had a chuckle about it. Update, this happened like a year ago, and I didn't think much about it. The other day, I was at a restaurant with my extended family. One of the waitresses kept looking at me. It took me a while to put it together. When she walked past, I said, "Didn't you used to work at Walmart?" She got excited and exclaimed that she thought it was me. I had a haircut and lost some weight since then. She filled me in on the aftermath. The ladies complained to the manager that a guy tried to steal their stuff for no reason. The manager figured there was more to the story. The entitled woman wanted the manager to find me and have me arrested. The worker girl told her what really happened, and it has since become store folklore. She said, "You're not an a-hole. You are a legend."